took all the best of me. Is it enough finally?
The boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, hey, welcome. My name is Linda / The Boss. I am the founder of DecemberTheBoss.com. The link will be in my description box down below.
No need to look back, this too shall pass. I want you to stay around.
Okay, family, let's get some inspiration for summer 2023. I hope you like this video. In today's video, I am going to redecorate our entryway, but everything you see in this video will be available on our website for you to order, from wall art, teardrop mirror, lamps, and other decorative pieces you will see very soon. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking.
If you can't let go, when it all comes tumbling down, I'll try to.
Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the notification bell twice because you don't want to miss any of my future upload. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking.
And again tomorrow for you. Tell me where you go those sleepless nights. Show me what you're running from. Take another chance, I'll prove you wrong. I will never let you stop. If you don't know by now, it's all in your head. These walls will break you down. If you can't let go, when it all comes tumbling down, I'll try to pick you up. I know time will tell you why. The sun will shine again tomorrow for you. Don't leave me out when it all comes crashing down. Your time will come. I will never let you down. When it all comes tumbling down, I'll try to pick you up. I know time will tell you why. The sun will shine again tomorrow for you. Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you?
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, konnichiwa, kijonouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. If you are new, my name is Linda. If you are home decor lover, this is the perfect channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell twice so YouTube will notify you for whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda / le patron. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos. Merci beaucoup, à la prochaine.
I have scars, the ones that healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up and I should have.
You guys, thank you so much for your support about this vase. You guys ordered this vase a lot and you guys love the design because it's so unique. As you can see, very unique. Guys, please, when you receive your shipment, your orders, please, I want you to review them, not sending me like email or call me to tell me about the product. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can call me, but you guys, when you leave me a review, that will be awesome. Okay, please do so. Thank you so much, you guys, for all of your support. I truly appreciate every single one of you. And you guys, I am going to use this cake stand. Okay, you can use it as a cake stand or your entryway. As you can see, this is what I am going to do right now. I am going to use my entryway. I use this one in several places in my home. I use it on top of my island. I add snacks for my kids. As you can see, I am going to use it in the different ways. This cake stand is so beautiful. You can use it in the different ways.
I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late, I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
You guys have been waiting for these branches for so long. I am so sorry about the delay. That's a lot to deal with. I hope to receive them very soon because you guys are waiting for these branches so long.
Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk.
Okay guys, this is how our entryway turned out. I hope you like it. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. The cake stand is available and everything you see, they are available on our website. Head over to thesambadyboss.com. The link will be in my description box down below. But now I am going to decorate the corner. I have a side table in this corner as well, the white one. I am going to decorate. But if you like this video, please let me know in the comment down below. For some of you, it might be too much or too simple or overcrowded, but hey, I love it. Thank you so much for stopping by and keep your bad comment to yourself. This is my home decor pieces. I can do whatever I want to, right? Thank you so much for your love and support, you guys, and I hope you like it.
If we give in what we want, and I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want.
Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor Trends 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of.
Voilà, thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, mal épisode, au revoir, bye. Don't forget to head over to designbytheboss.com to grab your favorite pieces. From ginger jars, wall art, benches, we have it all for you in one place to elevate your living space. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you like my Entryway summer decorating ideas.
I got nothing left to say. Didn't wanna stand up useless, but in the aftermath of us, I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. Don't regret that. In the aftermath of us.
A beautiful collections just for you to elevate your living space. Shop our Modern Luxe collections now, a perfect way to give your space that classic touch. From unique and crafted decorative pieces to help you create a beautiful home. Thank you so much for stopping by. Handpicked with you in mind. The link will be in my description box down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor Trends 2023. Let the design flow, baby.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I If you are not the